everyone, I am Aishwarya S. Rao. I secured an All India rank of 439 in GATE Chemical Engineering 2021. I started my preparation in April using an Academy Plus subscription, and during my preparation I learned engineering mathematics and aptitude from Shrenik Jain sir, and the core chemical engineering concepts from Mufazzal Badshawala sir and Ankur Bansal sir. I would like to discuss some of the strategies that I have followed during my preparation. And the first thing that I followed is to always get my concepts clear before I start to do any problem in that particular concept. So, first learn the concept and then do the problems. The second thing is to take it one at a time. Finish a subject before you move on to another subject and complete all the topics that are in the subject. Do not leave out any topic. And the other strategy that I followed is to do more and more of PYQs. It's not necessary to go after new kinds of problems, but it is always necessary to solve more and more PYQs so that we get a hang of the kind of questions that are asked in GATE. And I would also like to discuss some of the mistakes that people generally do during their GATE preparation. And the first thing is to not use the GATE virtual calculator. It takes a lot of time for us to adjust to the GATE calculator, and it is always necessary to use it since a long time, not only during tests or anything, but even so we should get adapted to doing more and more problems at the time of our examination. For example, if your exam is from 9:30 to 12:30, always make sure that you solve more and more problems during that time. And the other mistake that people do is just to give more and more tests during the exam, like in towards the end, that is January or February. People try to give more and more tests, but I don't think that is necessary. Until and unless you analyze the test that you have given, there is no point of that particular test. So always make sure that you analyze the test before you move on to the next test. So I would like to wish all the GATE 22 aspirants all the best. Thank you.